Imagine a giant lid placed over a city, trapping heat like an oven. That's a heat dome. It's a dangerous weather phenomenon where high pressure traps hot air in place for days or even weeks. This creates a stifling dome of heat that can send temperatures soaring. Heat domes are becoming more common and more intense, and they have serious consequences for people and the planet. Understanding how heat domes form and the impact they have is crucial in a warming world. These domes of intense heat can impact vast geographical areas, affecting millions of people. Their effects are far-reaching, impacting everything from daily life to long-term environmental sustainability. So, what causes these heat domes to form? Let's delve into the science behind this scorching phenomenon. Heat domes form when areas of high pressure in the atmosphere act like a giant lid, trapping heat underneath. This high pressure pushes warm air downwards, compressing and heating it even further. Normally, this hot air would rise and cool, but the high pressure system prevents this, creating a stagnant dome of heat. The jet stream, a band of fast-moving air high in the atmosphere, can also play a role. When the jet stream shifts, it can cause high-pressure systems to stall and intensify, leading to prolonged heat waves and the formation of heat domes. These domes can persist for days or even weeks, baking the land and everything on it. Heat domes are notorious for triggering extreme weather events. The most immediate and obvious effect is, of course, scorching temperatures. These extreme temperatures can lead to heat stroke, wildfires, and strain on power grids as people crank up the air conditioning. But heat domes can also exacerbate droughts by increasing evaporation and drying out the land even further. Moreover, the trapped heat can fuel powerful thunderstorms. When the hot air does eventually rise, it can clash with cooler air, leading to intense storms with heavy rainfall and even hail. Section 4. The heat is on impacts on human health and the environment. The intense heat trapped under a heat dome poses significant risks to human health. Heat stroke, heat exhaustion, and respiratory problems become more common, especially among vulnerable populations like the elderly and those with pre-existing conditions. The environment also suffers under the relentless heat. Wildfires ignite more easily and spread rapidly in the dry conditions. Crops wither and die, impacting food security. The extreme heat also takes a toll on wildlife, disrupting ecosystems and threatening biodiversity. Section 5. Our warming world, the future of heat domes. As our planet warms due to climate change, heat domes are becoming more frequent and intense. The very factors that contribute to global warming, such as the increase in greenhouse gases, are also making these heat domes more severe. This trend is a serious cause for concern. We need to be prepared for a future with more extreme heat events and take steps to mitigate their impact. This includes investing in heat-resilient infrastructure, developing early warning systems, and reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. Understanding heat domes and their consequences is crucial for protecting ourselves and our planet in a warming world.